Crank up the engine, folks. There's a rejuvenated love for road trips and exploring new places sweeping across the globe. With a whopping 60% increase in travel from last year, the open road is calling louder than ever. In a world that's rapidly digitizing, this resurgence of wanderlust is a sweet reminder of the thrill of discovery and the allure of the unknown. As we become more comfortable with venturing out, smaller towns and hidden gems are being spotlighted, offering unique experiences that big cities might not provide. But that's not all. This trend is a boon for local businesses too. With the influx of travelers, they have a golden opportunity to revamp their strategies and reach out to a wider audience. You might just find your new favorite store in the most unexpected places. So why not hit the open road and embark on an adventure? You never know what wonders you might stumble upon. And remember, the journey is just as important as the destination. Happy travels!